Good evening, viewers, and welcome to the news. Here are the headlines of the day. BJP retains power in Arunachal Pradesh Assembly while Sikkim Krantikari Morcha makes clean sweep in Sikkim. Jowai Silchar Road NH6 is being restored for vehicles to ply, says Kerman Shilla. Renington Lingdo Tongkhar to request government for setting up a rehabilitation and detox center in Maukarwat. Nongrang clan felicitates Ida Shisha Nongrang, new DGP of Meghalaya. And 3 miners lost their lives after consuming wild mushrooms in Sapai. The news in detail. The Bharatiya Janata Party BJP has returned to power in Arunachal Pradesh, while the ruling Sikkim Krantikari Morcha SKM has secured another term in Sikkim. Counting of votes for assembly elections in the 2 northeastern states was held today. In Arunachal Pradesh, BJP had already secured a victory in 10 seats, unopposed in the state assembly polls. In the results declared today for the remaining 50 seats, BJP has bagged 36, National People's Party 5, Nationalist Congress Party and Independents 3 each, People's Party of Arunachal 2, while Indian National Congress clinched 1 seat. In Sikkim, out of the results declared for all 32 seats, Sikkim Krantikari Morcha SKM has won 31 seats. The Sikkim Democratic Front SDF managed to bag only 1 seat. Disaster Management Minister Kerman Shilla had said that the Jowai Silchar Road of National Highway 6 is being restored for vehicles to ply. He said the Deputy Commissioner concerned has directed his officers to ensure that the road is cleared at the earliest. An update from East Ajanta Hills said the damaged portion of NH6 at Lumshnong village has been partially repaired to allow small vehicles to pass through.
Met in person with the Deputy Commissioner of East Ajanta Hills. So in front of me, I have seen that he directed those officers present on the ground and then tell them to find support also from different companies, because the area which are affected is nearby the cement plant. So he contacted them and then tried to ask from excavator machines and then different kind of support from them, so that it can be support to those people nearby. So I've seen he's trying his job, and he did the best he can, but as of now we cannot say anything what is the situation, because we have not received any updates yet.
Maukarwat Renington L. Tongkhar convened a public meeting on Saturday at Community Hall, Maukarwat, to discuss the problem of drug menace in Maukarwat and Southwest Khas Hills district as a whole. The meeting decided to write to the state government requesting for the setting up of the rehabilitation center and detox center in Maukarwat. The meeting was attended by Maukarwat MDC Karnes Soshang, Chief of Hima Maharam Nyandros Imyong, headmen, youth leaders, women organization, NGO leaders and leaders from different political parties.
District jungi ban lech ka sarkar ban pan ka sarkar bakan ai ya kajing kersyam ka sponsorship bangindon ka way ka rehabilitation center hakane ka Maukarwat headquarter ka jungi ka bani ka district headquarter bat kunjuru bangindon ka bandon ka detox center ka bangindi bandon hangne hapo ka hospital ka CSC lane hapo ka sispa thia ka bangidon ha ka bang ti bandon no kini kumno ban detox lane ban khoi ban weng ya kini ki kinja drugs ki bala inject bala pengam ha kamet jong kini ki kena ki bala ngam ha ka ki chindi drugs.
Nongrang clan felicitates Ida Shisha Nongrang as new DGP of Meghalaya. The Nongrang clan celebrated the recent appointment of Ida Shisha Nongrang as the new Director General of Police DGP of Meghalaya. The clan descending from Tiabon Nongrang expressed immense joy and pride in the significant achievement during a felicitation event held in Umbir village, Ribhoi district. During the felicitation program, the Nongrang clan bestowed their blessings upon Ida Shisha Nongrang, expressing high hopes for her tenure as the DGP. They anticipate that she will dedicate her efforts to community service, fostering peace and harmony in Meghalaya. Northeastern Hill University Economics Department Professor Sumarvin Umdor observed that the new Captain Williamson Sangma University should offer courses in the professional and technical education front which NEHU does not offer. According to him, the initial plan of the state government to set up the Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University in 2011 was to provide high quality and industry relevant education in the areas of engineering, physical sciences, life sciences, technology, including technical, as there are many colleges in the state imparting courses in general disciplines of science, arts and commerce.
Is setting up a university, naturally then it means that it should be therefore focusing on, those departments or, programs that will fill this gap that is there. We don't have enough technical education, we don't have professional education, medical, institute. So those are the areas that we need to, be investing, the state need to invest on. If you look at the Williamson Sangma University, Technical University, the Act as it was passed in 2011, is meant to address this gap.
It has been scientifically proven that paintings and visuals have the ability to expand knowledge, change attitudes by students at large. Keeping this in mind, the Assam Club Laban organized a painting contest based on the theme Environment to commemorate World Environment Day 2024 on Saturday. Nearly 200 children from nursery to class 10 participated in the competition, and the participants were divided into 4 groups class-wise. Speaking about the competition, Mr. Hasib Asan, President, Assam Club, expressed happiness at the overwhelming response to the competition.
Among the children of Shillong-based schools, we have got a good response in the competition, where approximately 200 participants has participated in the competition. From the various schools of Shillong, lots of students has come to participate. This is the initiative of Assam Club for the communities of Shillong.
Khasi film Tirha is all set to be released on June 7th at Biju Cinema Hall, the director of the movie Shri Els Iemle said. Addressing the press on Saturday, the director has called upon Khasi movie buffs to support the movie, adding that the film industry gives the much-needed employment to many. The Meghalaya State Olympic Association MSOA, led by Working President John F. Karshieng and General Secretary F.L. Pariat, recently met with the local MLA of Jawai, Wailat Miki Shilla, to discuss preparations for the upcoming 6th edition of the Meghalaya Games, which will be held next year in Jawai town. The meeting focused on the infrastructure, logistics and challenges of accommodating over 5,000 individuals, including participants, officials and other necessary requirements for the Meghalaya Games.
Location. Kani te daw ni to kasmi ko pas ne da here ne yan yung MSOA o 15 ya kitu kita. Ne ba ultimately hi to ka MSOA wo finalize wo ong ye biang nem biang ne kita. Kani da wan gi ka da paki malumala o da yo gi garap idea te kamade plan itu te ne nim slim di te da wan so gi nang rangkat university technical team gi. Wo pun tikena ye ke wa to wa kini ki benu ban ki biang man da ne ten yo stangani ya construction money ya facelift lani kiting emtam ko dang sa.
3 miners tragically lost their lives on Saturday, while others remain in critical condition after consuming wild mushrooms in Sapai village of West Giant Hills district. Superintendent of Police Shri Chempang Sirti reported that 3 families in Sapai village were affected by mushroom poisoning. They were rushed to MCH hospital in Jawai for urgent medical treatment. The first family impacted by this tragedy was transferred to Nazareth Hospital in Shillong, who are currently in critical condition. 2 people who are currently in critical condition are at Jowai Civil Hospital and 3 people at Negrims. According to the information from Negrims, all the 3 patients were diagnosed with liver and kidney damage. Till the time of filing this report, the condition of these patients was found to be stable. One person who was admitted at Civil Hospital Jowai later was referred to Negrims, where he was pronounced dead, and 2 people passed away at MCH Hospital in Jowai. India has voted, Meghalaya has voted. Now is the time to know what people of India have decided and what people of Meghalaya have decided. With Pan-India live updates in attractive graphics and live reporting from counting stations in Meghalaya, from our reporters, we bring you the most holistic coverage of Counting Day. Join DD Meghalaya to know the most authentic and latest result in a live marathon discussion program, which will be broadcast from 9:30 a.m. onwards on 4th June with renowned political commentators and leaders of political parties. You can also watch the program live on YouTube at DD News Meghalaya, at DD Meghalaya Official and at Doordarshan Kendra Tura channels. Stay tuned. A touch of glitz and glamour descended on the State Convention Centre on Saturday as the North East Cricket Development Council NECDC honoured top-performing players, officials and teams for the BCCI domestic season 2023-24. Among the 38 awards and citations presented, the big 2 were for the best player from the North East Zone, and these coveted prizes were conferred on Meghalaya's Kishan Lingdo male and Sikkim's Sama Yita Roy Pradhan female. The Best Emerging Player awards went to Nagaland's Aluto Sumi male and Manipur's Sheikh Neha female.
Particularly for us who are in the administration or management. We are today here celebrating the performance, the achievements of our cricketers from the NECDC family. We are really proud of what you have achieved in the national arena.
The weather report. The maximum temperature was 25.6 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 14.4 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 79%, while in the evening was 84%. The forecast, moderate rain and thundershower is likely to occur at most places. Before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. BJP retains power in Arunachal Pradesh Assembly, while Sikkim Krantikari Morcha makes clean sweep in Sikkim. Jowai Silchar Road NH6 is being restored for vehicle supply, says Kerman Shilla. Redington Lingdo Tongkhar to request government for setting up a rehabilitation and detox center in Maukarwat. Nongrang clan felicitates Ida Shisha Nongrang, new DGP of Meghalaya. And 3 miners lost their lives after consuming wild mushrooms in Sabhai. That's all we have in the news for today. Do join us again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Until then, good night.